Matt, what's your mission, bud?
To get content for Paul Payne's production.
Hey, content creators. We're gonna make this long 7-mile walk in. Can't wait.
Ed didn't even give me a sling.
Didn't even give Matt a gun sling. My bad. Hey, buy your own gun. All right, guys, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get after it today. What's up, guys? I've been trying to shoot bear, but it's been real foggy. Fog finally cleared, but before it did, I dropped down to check my camera. I have over my buddies, and they were in another area, so they sprinted over here. So now the does, they fed down here. My buddies are somewhere on that side, so I'm hoping they're able to get in position fast enough to shoot one. So I'm just sitting in this brush. I could have shot one, dang it. I wish I still had a tag. Dude, it's fun, good stuff.
Matt.
I think you got it.
I don't know, I mean I hit it.
Alright, boys. Just got some blood. I think Matt got a pretty good shot.
I don't know.
So we're about to track it a little bit more. See what we can do. Let's wait for Dad. What's up, guys? We are doe hunting, like we mentioned earlier, December 28th. I already got my tag yesterday, so I was using mine for a bear. And I got down to check my camera. Look at this. That's what you want to see. Fresh poop. Doe. Anyway. So I got down. I'm up for bear. I got down to check. I got down to check my camera, and I saw a bunch of does below where I was hunting for bears. And I hollered at old Matt and Paul, and I said, "Dude, get down here quick, because there's a bunch of does." And they fed down, and then so they got in position, and then I gave her the 1-2 spook, and Matt hit one. So we're gonna go see. We're gonna go see what it looks like. We got pretty steep terrain, big boulders and cliffs and stuff. So I think she might have ran down to the creek. We're gonna go see if we can find her.
Dude, I couldn't stand. When it was down there, I couldn't tell which one I shot. There's so many deer, I didn't want to shoot at another one that I didn't know I hit.
We got some good blood up here, so I think, I swear I saw her hurt. I swear I saw her go down right in here somewhere. We'll find her though.
I just didn't want to shoot one.
Yeah, I don't blame you, for sure.
Still following blood, boys. Blood trail's still looking good. Huh? Blood trail's still looking good.
You not see it?
No, I don't.
Where did you see her? Oh my gosh, she's right there.
I'm glad I didn't shoot another deer.
There she is, Matt.
Dude, I can't believe that worked.
Boys, that's awesome.
Dude, that was a perfect shot.
Heck yeah, man.
perfect.
It's a good doe, buddy.
Dude, it's a great doe. Most
what
of
you
two
want.
one around.
Heck yeah, man, boys.
Good job, Matt.
Heck
Anyway,
yeah,
let it
boys.
eat. Matt's 2 for 2.
Yes, sir.
Try again next year.
She's had enough. Alright, boys. We're going to get some pictures with her and get some trophy photos from Matt.
Ready for pictures.
Nice. More meat in the freezer, boys.